Hey friends, let's unbox a UPS for my Wi-Fi router. So I have bought this from Amazon and it's called the Resonate UPS router. So let's see what's inside. So this is the router UPS. Let's open it. When the power goes, your Wi-Fi doesn't. So this is the problem I have been facing with this standalone router, which is connected to power directly. So whenever you see, if I disconnect it and turn it on, so even for a flick of a second, then you see that there is some delay when all three lights come into action. So this is where it will rescue me, and I will show it. So let's open the main box content, and you can see the brand Resonate, and it was showing bestseller on Amazon. I have also ordered a better router, since my router has been very old for more than 5 years, so I don't trust this anymore. So let's open it up. It may seem very rude that since my router is very old, I don't trust it anymore. It has worked for me for the last 5 years and it's still working. And this is the main UPS. I don't know how to operate it. Let's keep it aside and see the other box contents. So now we see that it has a cable. And some installation guide. Its output power rating is 12 volt. So make sure your router matches with that. So here we take out the main power adapter of the router, then connect it, its one end which was connected to router to this UPS, and finally we connect the same plug to the extension cord. So it seems very simple. This I will first turn power off. Oh, I don't need to take it out. I just So my router connection has this much of width, and here with this UPS you see different cables. So one is this one, and this thickness pretty matches with my router's original cable connection. So most likely this will go to the router where it was connected to this earlier, and in UPS we have one in, right side is the in, and there is one out. So it will not directly go to in since it's very thin, and here its input is slightly thicker. So we will use this one. So first connect my original router's input to this one. So I have connected that, and this is the power that was going to router. I have connected it to this, and now this will go to this UPS input. So right side is the input. I will plug it here. Okay, so one part is done. Power is now coming to UPS. Now I need to connect it to my router. So looks like this one will fit because it's exactly the same thickness as my original router's connectivity. And I will not need one of these cables, so let's open it. In fact, I will not need one and two extra cables, I suppose. I'm keeping them back in the box, and here so the thicker end goes to UPS. Yes, it's properly inserted. Now it's a simple thing. Wherever originally it was connected, and this is here, I will connect this new input. And now it's time to turn on the UPS. It's currently off. Let's turn it on, or rather first I will. So if I turn it on, even if the power is not turned on, you see the router is initializing. So even just out of the box, this UPS had some charging in it. So that's good. That would have been required if I did not have power connection at the moment. But anyway, that helps. Now I can turn on this power. So whenever my power goes off, I don't need to worry about it. And it was very straightforward to do the installation. I will keep everything aside, and I will do some test. I turn it off. I turn off the power. Router has no effect on it, at least for a few hours. What's the timing? I'm exactly not sure for how long. I will share the exact duration for how long it can work in the description of the video. And I will also share a link for the same product in the video, so check it out on Amazon. Thanks for watching.